When will Rovo be able to take the job of a Jira administrator? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's jump into this discussion. All right, so this is directly from the Atlassian Community. Shai Gilboa, a contributor, asked the question, Rovo as a Jira admin, aka sidekick. And so the question is, I initially opened a question by mistake, but I was wondering if and when will Atlassian take AI, Rovo, or a new one to the next step of assisting Jira admins with the heavy lifting of Jira administration. Jira administration is mostly a ClickUp mess, most definitely when there is no or little central management of the tool and when team spaces are involved. And this is a very interesting conversation that I wanted to have really quick with you because I have some thoughts and opinions and even a little bit of insight as to what's coming down. And we're going to look at the rest of the article. So again, make sure you stick around for this whole thing here. But here's my insight. Here's my initial gut reaction. Atlassian has a long way to go. I will tell you with conversations that I've had internally with some folks, the intent is to do this. The intent is for Rovo to be the sidekick. And I do see a future where the responsibility, the roles and the responsibility of the Jira admin in the traditional sense of, adding the custom fields, doing the workflows, I see that going away. We already see AI doing recommendations. We already see AI being able to create request types. We already see AI being able to do workflows, right? Using Rovo and using, a good prompt, it can do stuff. So already see Atlassian going in that direction where myself as a Jira admin, I'm relying a little bit more on Rovo to help me with some of the mundane tasks, if you will. But the ability for Rovo to just go and spin everything up, right? To go create the project and to go and modify the workflows and do the custom fields and all that stuff. I think we're not there yet, but I do know that Atlassian is really, really working on this, right? Atlassian has been doing a lot of changes because the team managed environment, I think, is the one that's going to facilitate this to happen because it's just easier to maintain and manage. And the company one is the mess, right? Like company management ones require you to know a lot of stuff. And I don't think Rovo is there yet. And I don't think Rovo is ever going to get there. But Atlassian is slowly increasing the power of team managed projects so that they become and behave more like company. And I do see a convergence. Maybe 2-3 years out would be my best thought or guess. We have a comment here from a couple of people, right? So I'd highly recommend, we'll link it down below for you as well. But we have a comment from Jimmy Seddon, who's one of the Jimmy Talks Jira, if you will, where I think Atlassian's focus right now is getting people to adopt Rovo, and adding functionality that only benefits us admin isn't going to be what gets the C-suite companies on board. So I think Atlassian right now, they're definitely in a let's get people to like Rovo, let's get people to adopt Rovo, let's get people into Rovo. And at the same time, I'm assuming they have a whole different team that's working to kind of catch up, right? They're working to fix things. They're working to ensure things working collaboratively. And I would foresee a future where these worlds and stars are going to align and we're going to have a convergence. Then Rovo is going to be able to do it. But my prediction is still maybe 2-3 years out, Atlassian has to refactor a lot of code. They have to refactor a lot of functionality. They have to rethink of how things work, but they're already going in that direction. The new workflow editor is a good first step in that direction. The request types is a step in that direction. We see Atlassian doing this with global fields and stuff like that, right? Like they're definitely moving in this direction. So I guarantee you they're doing those incremental under the hood changes. And at the same time, they have Rovo becoming much more powerful every day. And so again, it's going to be a convergence. It's going to be a balance. The stars are going to align. 2-3 years, my prediction. But definitely a lot of work ahead for Atlassian, but it keeps them busy. But I do think that this is going to be a future that is definitely imminent. I think the role and responsibility of a Jira admin, right, as being the ClickUp, as this article states here, being the ClickUp here, I think that will go away. I think we're going to click less, and I think we're going to architect more. And so I think that's where we're going. And that's my reaction here to this Rovo as a Jira admin sidekick. So let me know what you think. Again, we'll link this article down below. Join the conversation there. But those are my 2 cents. That's where I think we're going. And definitely check out this article. And if you're watching this and you enjoyed this type of video, let me know in the comment section if you like me reacting and discussing, adding a little narrative to these discussions on the community. But also make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think. I want to know your opinions. Let me know in the comment section down below. And we'll see you in the next one.